Welcome back all. So again I'm going to deal with quick snaps, that is quick inputs. Here I choose nav. I'll use circle, C for circle for me. I'll create a circle of this much, 1, again a circle exactly from the center, second, referring this origin as my reference. I'll create one more circle here, should be somewhat larger, hit enter to repeat the commands, one more circle. I'm going to use the line tool. So now I want to access the quick access toolbars. Right click on it and select eSnap overrides. You can select tangent from here, click on the circle. Again, right click on it and select eSnap overrides, tangent. Click escape, repeat the command, right click and select eSnap tangent. Escape. To remove this entity, we can use the powerful trim, that is powerful trim option, to remove the extra portions. By using shift middle cursor button, you can rotate 2D trying to 3D to have the thickness. Go to properties, general tab, there is a wall, check for the wave. Here I hope you can now change the thickness. I can directly go to modeling tab, and here by using push pull tool I can create the 3D model. The value is 50, enter. To activate isometric view and the sharp edges, I'll click these icons. Shortcuts has been added. Thank you for watching.